Hi! In front of me is ZTE Blade A51 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off automatic screen rotation. Begin by going into Tab menu and looking for Auto Rotate shortcut. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is now green. That means that auto rotation is enabled, but you can always disable it by tapping on the same tile again. If you want to, you can also go into Settings, click on Display, and select Advanced. Then, thanks to this switcher next to Auto Rotate Screen, you can turn it on or off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!